Hello friends and potential friends. First little story. When we bought the house next door to mine, I found a little mulberry bush back in the far corner of the backyard. It's practically buried under the overgrowth and under a number of trees, struggling greatly. And recently I determined that I was going to try to save it. The only way I could think of to save it was to take cuttings and try to propagate them. So I took these 4 cuttings about a month ago, stuck them in water. I've never done this before with mulberries, so I didn't know whether it'd work or not. But as you may be able to see, there's 2 little white lines down there coming off of one of the cuttings. And those are roots about 1.5 inches long. Now, to be fair, only one of the cuttings is showing any roots, but when I look closer, you can see that there's little buds of leaves starting to form here. And as I go up the branches, you see more little buds and more. There's one at the top there at the far left, another one at the top at the far right. There's another one from that node, and I think, no, there's not one at the top. That's actually a dead leaf up there at the very top. All of these branches were covered with leaves when I put them in here, and they actually had fruit on them when I cut them. I took all the fruit off. The leaves almost immediately dropped off, and then they looked like they were dying. And now every single one of them has some forms of life on it. There's one leaf down there that's starting to actually form into a leaf. So it looks like if I can manage to get these things moved into soil, I might actually have some more mulberry bushes to plant somewhere. Just wanted to share that with you. It actually worked to try to root mulberry branches or cuttings just in plain water. Rainwater, incidentally. We'll see you next time.